How about when it comes to like flips or agent commissions? How are those usually taxed as?
The flips it can go one of two ways. If you just do an occasional flip, it would be a capital gain or loss, depending on if you have gain or income. So that has its own separate treatment. It has different tax rates for long-term capital gains, and then you have limitations on losses with capital losses. However, if you're flipping constantly and you're doing it as a business, it'll be ordinary income on your return, or the losses will be deductible against other ordinary income in that respect. So hopefully you're making gains on it, which would then cause you to pay taxes. But if you have any losses, there could be some significant differences if it's capital versus ordinary. Commissions would be something that you're an active ordinary income, a self-employment income, or depending on how you're structured, but that's going to be just ordinary income on your tax return.
Are there any favorite ways that either those flippers or agents have been able to either use some of the strategies that you put in place to offset some of those gains that they've had?
If you're an agent, then you could use that for the real estate professional status. It'll tie into your hours in the real estate business, not necessarily your material participation, but your hours in the real estate business, that 750-hour requirement that they have for real estate professional status, that could help you there. If you have long-term rental properties, those now become businesses under the real estate professional status, and you can deduct any losses from there against your ordinary income.
So it's all about making sure that everything is classified accordingly.